Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can pin TikTok videos on your TikTok profile. So guys, if you want to know how to do it, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you tap on your TikTok app to open it. So guys, immediately open up your TikTok app. The first step that you have to take is to tap in your TikTok profile. You can see there at the bottom right corner. But before that, let me show you guys what pinning of TikTok videos looks like. So let me go ahead to search for a TikTok channel so I can show you guys an example. So guys can see this is the TikTok profile of Nijay. You can see the first three videos. Those first three videos are pinned. You can see the arrow pointing at it. You can see the pin options. One thing you have to take note of is that whenever you come to this page, you're going to see that these three videos are always going to be at the top. But it doesn't mean that those pinned videos are his recent videos. Recent videos are normally found below the pinned videos. So you can see his recent videos and his latest videos just below the pinned videos. You have to pin those videos maybe because there's something spectacular about those videos. Those videos might have been done a month ago or 2 months back or 6 months back or even 1 year back, but they had to pin it because they love something about it, maybe because the views on those particular videos are actually high. And if you take a close look of all the pinned videos on TikTok, you'll find that those videos that people actually pin are pictures that actually have the highest view in their channel. So they just pin it out so that people can actually know that they're actually getting views. It's funny, right? So guys, let me put an end to this explanation. Let me go ahead to show you guys how you can actually pin a post on TikTok. For you to do that, you have to tap on your TikTok profile at the bottom right corner. So let me tap on it. So guys, here's my TikTok profile. The first step that you have to take is to look for the video that you actually want to pin. Just search for the video that you want to pin. When you find it, what you have to do now is to tap on the video. So let me tap on this first video at the top here. So guys, once you tap the video to open the video, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on the 3 horizontal dots. You can see the arrow pointing at it. You can see it there. What you have to do is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, over here we have 3 sections: the upper section, the middle section and the lower section. Where you're going to find the pin option is at the lower section. You can see there it is the first option. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Immediately I tap on pin, this video will be pinned at the top of my TikTok profile. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, you can see at the top, pin to the top of your profile. You can see the arrow pointing at it at the top. You can see it there, it's already pinned. So guys, let's go back to our TikTok profile to see if actually the video has been pinned. So let me go back. So guys, can see now that video that we just pinned has been pinned. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So guys, let me find the second video so that you get to master it. Let me tap on this video again. So guys, for me to pin this video now, I have to tap on the 3 horizontal dots again. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to tap on pin. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it already. So guys, you can see the notification again at the top. It's already pinned. You can see the notification. So let's go back now to our TikTok profile. Well guys, you can see now I've pinned 2 videos on my TikTok profile. You can go ahead to pin the third one, and there's something that you have to take note of. You can actually pin only 3 videos on your TikTok profile. You can't pin more than 3 videos on your TikTok profile. If you try to pin more than 3 videos, you're going to get a notification telling you that you can't pin more than 3. So guys, in case you've pinned 3 videos already and you actually have a new video that you actually want to pin, for you to add that new video to the pin section, what you have to do is to unpin one of the 3 videos you've already pinned before. Once you unpin it, then you'll be able to pin the new video that you want to pin, and it will be added to the pin section. Then you see it at the top of your TikTok profile among the 3 videos. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.